Okay, this is our pressure washer. We've got the turbo tip on it. We've got it cut off. We took a 1/8 inch pipe tap and threaded the end of it, and we've got a nipple tied to a ball cock here, and you can control your water pressure. You can control your water pressure. You can run it wide open, or you can turn it way back to do these skins. And this right here has worked really well for us. Now, Fernando, he's going to show you how this works. You always want to go with the feather tweel. You don't ever want to blow against a feather tweel. That works out nice, don't it? Okay, he's going right there. He's going, is that the breast? Yeah, he's going up both sides of the breast right there. You have to be careful about halfway up that neck. The feather wheels are going to change directions on you. And you'll have to just pay attention to your feather wheels and don't ever blow against them. Blow with them. He'll pick and lift the hide up with his hands, which gives him something to move the skin around on while he's working it. Now when we do these, we invert our wings. We leave the ball joints on them, but this little pressure washer will clean them. He'll clean them all up. The thighs, we just blow that stuff right off the feathers. We clean the tail, the feet, everything like this. We don't clean the scapulars all that really good like that. We leave those kind of intact. You better come on, Fernando. You've been on here 9 minutes. You're losing time. You can take that and you can go right between those squeals and really clean that thing up. And you can see about how far away from there he's holding that. That's about, I don't know, anywhere from 6 to 8 inches. And you're just using the lower side of the turbo. One turkey skin almost ready for the wash. Everything but the back. And I think I'm gonna cut it off now. And I think with this video you can see the whole process with it. And it's very easy. In my opinion, the only way to do it. Good luck.